Welcome to Simply Logical. This is Venkatesh. A pregnant woman goes out of her room, goes to the fridge, opens a can of tuna, soda, yogurt, and a cookie. What did she open first? This is one of the latest riddles that has become quite popular these days. Therefore, I have provided a step-by-step method to explain it for your assistance. Many people have their own interpretation for this particular riddle. I am going to provide my answer, which is accepted by most of the people. Feel free to pause the video and try yourself before checking the solution. Do subscribe to the channel for the newest videos watching. Let's everyone know your answer in the comment section. Let me explain the solution now. Answer to this riddle is she opened the fridge door first. Many people are arguing that she opens her room's door first, but it doesn't explicitly say that she opened her room door, just that she goes out of her room. By listing the food items individually, it invites you to think which food you would naturally eat first. However, she would have to open the fridge to get to some of the items, and it's addressed that she goes there first. On the other hand, some have argued that she opens her eye first, which is definitely an interesting take, as she would likely blink on her journey from the room to the fridge. The most accepted answer to this riddle is she opened the fridge door first. It can have other answers too. Do share your answer in the comment section, and don't forget to provide your interpretation and your analysis on this particular riddle. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to address as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support.